Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom between Word Clock and Stopwatch. Now, to add new alarm, select this plus at the top right corner. Finally, set up an hour. When you finished, click on Repeat and set up days of the week. In my case, Mondays and Tuesdays. When you're done, go back. Now you can click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on Done on your keyboard. Now, by clicking on Sound section, you can access Htics option and adjust haptics for this incoming alarm. You can, for example, tap on one of those patterns to apply the test one. Synchronize haptics with ringtone by clicking over here. Or even scroll all the way down and click on None to disable haptics completely. If you wish to, you can tap on Create New Vibration under Custom and then create your own vibration pattern for this incoming alarm. Just tap it in over here. When you finished, hit Stop at the bottom right corner. Then, to play your pattern, select Play at the bottom left one. If you wish to redo it, hit Record again, create it, and tap on Stop. In order to save it though, click on Save at the top right corner and name your pattern however you wish to. Lastly, select Save. Now, as you can see, my custom pattern was successfully created and applied. Finally, when we go back to Sound options, we can choose one of the available ones to pick the perfect incoming alarm melody. By selecting one of those options under Store, you can use music from your tone store. By clicking on Pick a Song under Songs, you can select any music from your device, click on it in order to set it up and go back. And by choosing one of those melodies, you can apply it right away. You can also just click on None at the bottom to disable alarm sound completely. Finally, when I go back, I can click on this switcher next to Snooze to switch it off or on, and save my alarm by hitting Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to turn it off completely, click on green sweater next to it. you can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to edit it, you can do it by hitting it and making all changes you want. To save them, just click on Save again. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm completely, tap on it again, but this time hit the Delete Alarm button at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!